Hi guys, Retro Django here. Look what I just got. It's an Amiga 2000 with a 1084S monitor, and I got this Amiga because I got contacted by a guy who saw my YouTube channel and wrote to me that he actually loved my videos, and he actually played these old Amigas back then. Now he collects Nintendo Entertaining System only, but he contacted me and he said there is an Amiga at his workplace. He didn't know which model or nothing, but if I was interested, he could sell it to me. And I asked if it worked, and he said that he will try it out. And a couple of days later, he told me that it works perfect, and he played some games on discs. I asked about battery and all that, but he absolutely didn't know where the location of the battery or nothing was. So I just bought it without checking it out or nothing. And another Amiga collector picked it up for me yesterday, so I just bought it. And this is actually first time I started collecting these for 6 months ago. This is the first CRT monitor, and I actually don't like them. I prefer the new LCD. Big screens, and I think the picture quality are great on these new screens, but some collectors prefer these original ones, and that's perfect, alright. The aspect ratio is 4:3, so the picture is perfect, but you can do that also with these. You can see the black lines, so I like the big screens, it's alright. But let's check this one out. I actually don't like these because, I mean, the tubes are 35 years old. I'm afraid it will blow up soon, so I don't like them, but I could take it all or leave it. So yeah, let's check it out. I will turn on the Amiga first, and look at this caps lock. It's different. I have never seen caps lock like this before, the light on the caps lock. Yeah, let's try to check the Amiga first. Yep, I can hear the fan, so that's a good sign. And we got power on, that's nice. Let's check out the screen now. Whoa. It's got a really high tone. Hey, it works. Oh my gosh, did it sound like this? Let's try it again. Oh my god, what's it called? Hums? What's it called? It's got a very high frequency of, I don't know where the sound. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it. Oh my god, was it like this? I really don't remember. Is this normal? Making this sound? Let's check out the back side. It's plugged with this RGB to the video port on the Amiga 2000. No SCART connector, and it's called 1084S-P Commodore monitor. And this Amiga 2000 is called nothing but the revision. No, we can look at the motherboard later. Nope. All right, this humming sound doesn't stop. It's just irritating. I really just want to turn the screen off. Damn. We got a picture, so I'm happy with that. Let's and I can see it's got 2 disk drives, so let's just try a disk. We got a Workbench Man, it's kickstarted 1.2. All right. He told me this. He worked on the same company for many years, and he told me for the last 25 years. Why is this just on? All right. Something's wrong. Well, he told me that it worked and played and all that. Let's try this. This one is not on. Maybe this one works. He told me that everything was all right and he played some games. Well, that's odd. I just reset it and this one is still on. Well, just one thing to do here, guys. Let's unplug it. Oh my god, this humming sound from the screen. It doesn't, I can see on the camera it gets these black lines, but how is it called? The real deal. The picture is great. It's okay. The picture is, oh. All right, let's, I will disassemble this and because this does not seem, I mean, something can happen under the transportation, of course. When the guy says he played some games, I of course trust him. All right, let's try it. 2 seconds, guys. All right. Let's start by taking this board out. It's not necessary to have it plugged in. All right, it's a fabrication number, something old, man. There we go, Commodore 1986. I think it's a RAM expansion. Yeah, 1986, and I think, I don't want to bend this, but probably a 2001 megabyte RAM expansion. Nice. Original Commodore product. Well, this bank is populated, and I think it can be upgraded to 2 megabyte RAM. That's okay. Nice. Well, we don't need that to test the machine, so let's just remove that one and make a little inspection here. As I can see, from 1986, revision 4. Oh, this is a revision 4 was a German model, made in Germany, and I mean, the board looks all right. Oh, let's check out the battery acid. Okay, I have never seen a battery like that, but I really can't see anything that resembles blue acid. Nothing. The only thing I actually can see is dust. Okay, this German version 4, should only have 2 of this yeah, it's missing. You can see the usual. I have another one, revision 6. It's got 3 of those. Is it composite? It's called. I don't know. German version only have these 2. Okay, let's check out the disk drive. I mean, what's wrong with this? Okay. Oh, the CRT monitor, I really don't like it. Damn. Okay, this one is not connected. Let's start by connecting it and see what's going on. Okay. Working with only left hand is not the easiest thing to do. Okay, it's connected now. Let's see what it does. Okay, it lights up. It stays on. All right. Then it has got something with the, I mean the kickstart, everything starts up, but oh, look at this. How could this guy play, man? This can't happen under the transportation. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but can you see those two pins? I have to move this to the left side here. Well, that's odd. I don't think you could play like this. Well, 2 seconds, guys. Now it's okay here. All right, let's check it out again. Ooh. Maybe it's the CIA chips. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Maybe I have to turn this cable. I mean, this, if this works, this can happen under the transportation. Well, he told me he played games on it and it worked fine. So let's try this, guys, because when this light is always on, can you see this? No LED light. Oh, hell yeah! All right, no battery acid. It's an odd looking battery covered. I will take it off, of course, but I've never seen it like this. All right, guys, look at this. Let's plug in this one. Oh, I forgot plugging in the TF1. I mean, this monitor is gonna blow anytime soon. Alright, it works. Look at the caps lock. Have you seen something like this before? Maybe it's only the German version that's like this. A little different keyboard. I really like it. Alright. We got Workbench 1.2 Danish version. Unknown command. No. Does the mouse work? No. How could this guy play games, man? I'm not sure, but yeah. I mean, it wasn't cheap either. He did check the eBay listings, and it was not a cheap machine. I can guarantee you this. Okay, we got a disc called Oh Gods Into the Wonderful. Oh, I don't know if it gets what's it called, audio out from the video output. I don't think so. Okay, the machine oh, the mouse worked there. Alright, guys, let me see if I can find another. Maybe the Workbench disc is dead. I really want to know if it has some extra memory, if it's born with 512 or 1 megabyte. Oh, look at this, it works. Oh man, Lotus. Okay, we have no sound. That means that you have to kickstart 2.0. Okay. Extras. Workbench. Copy. Alright, let's try this one again. I hope the mouse works, and I really want to see if it's born with 5K, 512K, or it's born with a 1 megabyte. This revision 4 boards. I've never seen these before. Look, all those caps and all that looks great, but I don't think it's been recapped. Actually, the picture quality is great on the screen. Oh, the mouse does not work. No. Alright, these discs are not worth anything. Alright guys, I don't know how many megabytes. I can't go into Workbench. Deluxe Paint, that will load up in Workbench as I remembered last time, 25 years ago. Well, let's try it, guys. Deluxe Paint 3. We could try that also. Oh, we got it original. Use. Okay. PP Hammer Pirates. There we go. Oh no! Look at the memory, guys. It's only a 512 kilobytes. Okay. Well, that's not enough today. So let's plug in this 1 megabyte. I mean, this says 1 megabyte. So, all right, guys, let's plug in this card. I just want to say, this CRT monitor has given me a headache because of that sound. It's just, it does not go away. It's lasted for 5 or 10 minutes now. I've turned it off and on. I called a friend and he laughed at me and he said, they all do that buzzing sound, don't you remember? So now I'm 100% sure that I'm not gonna be using a CRT monitor. This is how I will play my games. And I just love my setup. After playing my Amiga, I liked the screen so much, so I actually went and bought a totally identical one. So it's just awesome when I play both machines. It's, yeah, same height, same picture quality, same everything. So it's alright. Not because I like the what's it called, LG or nothing like that, but I like having it like that. So well, this is next. We have 512 kilobytes of chip mem. Look at this. It looks like it's been socketed. Is it like that's from the fabric? I don't know. Let's plug in this 1 megabyte of RAM expansion. Oh, look at this. Somebody has. This is not red from fabric. Oh no, is it dead? I don't hope so. It's painted red, this chip. Maybe it's dead. I'm not sure. So let's just plug it in. 2 seconds, guys. Handle it with care. There we go. Alright. I just checked these soldered cables and everything is on. Nothing is loose. Nothing is wrong with them. Alright. Let's get some power, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is not good. We get a pink screen. Did I turn it wrong or something? Oh, it blinks. Now it says, damn. I mean, this guy told me that this machine was perfect. No, I've not turned it the wrong way. Oh my god, this screen is gonna explode soon. I'm gonna, when this video is done, I'm gonna. Whoa, take it easy, take it easy. I'm gonna unplug this and I'm gonna sell it to another buyer who likes these CRT monitors. I don't want them anymore. No way. I mean, I can see the picture quality is really fine. Looks great. I mean, looks great. But oh my god, this RAM block is dead. But if it worked and if everything was fine and it didn't make that buzzing sound and everything, it's still a 14-inch monitor. It's just no way. In 2018 we will like the big screen, so I will not use a little screen like that. No way. But the collectors like them, and that's perfectly fine with me. Well, guys, I think this board is dead because the Amiga works perfect now. I just took off the board. And yeah, that's the known widescreen we always. Yeah, and it loads fine now. Okay, guys, that's my new Amiga 2000 revision 4, a German model, and a Commodore 1084S monitor, who's going up for sale really soon. It really sucks that this one won't start up. If anybody got an idea what to do, I mean, I could reseat these 3 ICs there, and everything else is soldered on. Only thing is, I think this one, maybe, I'm not sure. This one could be dead when it's painted red, you know? Maybe some guy tested it for 25 years ago and painted red and didn't find another IC, so I don't know which one it uses. It's called Germany 8710 EF. Germany 8710 EF. Okay, all those 3 ICs are the same. Because with 512 kilobyte, you're it's pretty useless today. Alright, guys, thank you for your time. I will start cleaning this machine. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.